Hello, it's Badass Cannons. Okay, we're getting ready to do another set of videos from the last couple of months. These are some of the cannons that will be in it. I'm GW from Badass Cannons. Okay, right there's a golf ball cannon, 24-inch wheels. It's a stainless steel one. Right there's the 54 millimeter, the new 52 millimeter. There's the 62 millimeter, 2.5-inch bore, and there's another golf ball cannon right there. I got a few golf ball cannons. That's kind of how we got started with golf ball cannons, and we've kind of grew from there. We got a bunch of videos with the 62 millimeter in the last couple of months because we've been shooting the shit out of it, checking it all out. It hasn't been to heat treat yet. This one here has just got regular wagon wheels on it right now. It's about a 20-inch gun, 4.5-inch diameter. And I'm wanting to upgrade it to the 24-inch wheels, but the guy's talking about buying it and he doesn't want to spend the extra money. This one here was one of the first ones we upgraded to the bigger wheels. This is the first big bore cannon I ever made. This thing's awesome. All of them are awesome. They're all really well made. The 62, this is the biggest one we've made so far. I don't know if I'll ever go bigger or not. I keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger. But this is a range of them. And you're going to be seeing these in the videos coming up behind this. And I hope you enjoy them. Okay, let's go back over here. Now, if you really like these videos, if you really like these videos, you need to hit the subscribe button, and that'll just give you a link to future videos I ever post on YouTube. So it doesn't cost you anything. It's just when I put up a new video, it'll let you know that I got a new video up. And this new gun here, you're gonna see some amazing shots with this gun right here. That thing's crazy good. So I'm gonna put this at the beginning of the video to get it all started. I hope you enjoy as much as I have enjoyed making them. Shooting black powdered guns is just as easy as shooting a rifle. The only difference, these are on wheels. As long as you follow directions, use everything correctly, stay out of the front of the barrels like any other gun, and load them properly, you can shoot these all day long for hours and hours of fun, as safe as can be. You know, they're highly quality made. You can load these to the max amount of powder that you're allowed to put in them and never have a problem. And when these things go off, the videos don't even give them justice. When these things go off, we're standing usually 20, 30 feet behind the guns. When they go off, you not only hear it, you feel it. It's hard to describe. You start playing with these things, you feel like a little kid again. And they are fun. So there's other options out there. You don't have to get nothing from me. There's other people that make smaller ones or whatnot. You want to get if you'd like to get started with black powder cannons, there's other people that make them out there. But far as I know, I'm the only manufacturer out there that heat treats their guns. All my barrels are heat treated to 30 to 35 Rockwell, and they're also titanium. It's a ceramic nitride coat. And once that titanium nitride is on the guns, you can't cut them with even carbide. They're super strong and makes them impervious to rust and corrosion and makes them easy to clean. All I gotta do is stick a garden hose up their throat and flush it until it comes out clean, and then mop them up with some oil and put them away. So I ain't gonna sit here and talk all day. Let's get to watching some videos. This is GW from Badass Cannons. Subscribe, watch some more videos, and leave me some comments on what you would like to see me do. Some special targets you'd like to see shot, or special ways to shoot the guns, or a group of guns, or give me some ideas. I'm getting old, my brain don't work so fast anymore. Well, signing off. Badass Cannons, all ready to fire again? Set up on range. Brand new in the 52 millimeter, the 54 millimeter, and a 45 stainless steel. All up at Floyd's on the 4th of July. Round 2. They get the cheapy camera going. If it takes a second. This shows the damage. Badass Cannons, round 2, 4th of July. Lock the loader, ready to go. If you want to back up a little bit, get a little bit further behind them, the sound might not be as bad. Can you see from there? Okay, if I separate my strings, far one first. Fire no! You hit the end one, center flying, round 2. I think we hit a tank on every round. Is that loud or what? Yeah, smoke gets a little thick. That was cool.
I'm not sick.
Badass Cannons, round 3, 4th of July.
I'm good.
You're good? You sure? Badass Cannons, round 3, 4th of July, Floyd's. Having a blast.
Hey.
What? Quit on you again? Quit on you again?
Yep.
Darn it. Maybe it's just stay down here. I don't know. Facebook's just being a crap. Figured out what we're doing. It's just trying to attempt to stop us. Well, we're ready to roll on everything else. See, now it quit on us again. It's Facebook messing with us. Easy add your story.
That's okay.
You can't even see this. Okay, let's do this all over again.
This time automatic. As soon as I get back there and say ready, let's do it. Oh, it's me and Snuggles.
Come on, 'cause all the cameras are going. Come on. Facebook. Sit down before you trip over a wire. Let's try this again. Got your earplugs in?
Yep. Try this computer.
I don't know if this is on or not. Okay, I think we're going. See if we can get this quick before she dies on us again.
Hello.
Here, don't get too far.
My number 3. Put on us the other time.
Quit on you.
Ready?
Ready? Fire no!
Cool.
I think they heard that for a ways away. We knocked everything out of that pit. 52mm, 4th of July, for Floyd's, round 4. Pulling the string. Go for it. Rockin'. Fire no!
Fucking
Both them
blow
fuckers
them fucking
flying out of
things
there.
away, dude. That motherfucker's dead on. That's
I put
dead
one in
on.
front of the other.
Yeah, that's dead on, man.
That was pretty cool. Send them both flying out of there. Who kicked that ball?
I was all the way back by the fire.
She went up there, the fire burning pretty good.
Yeah.
That was pretty cool. Send it right up out of the hole, both of them. Fire and hole! That was pretty good. Hope I didn't hit his pontoon tank. Lock and loaded, Badass Cannons. Into the 4th of July, 2020. Badass Cannons ready to go. Up for one?
Let me get a play.
What do you want?
The one that's close in.
Huh?
Whichever one's closest. Okay, cool.
Get. Fire and hole! Get a pull. I don't hear no after sounds.
No, it sounded like those stayed right there, kind of like.
Yeah, that's what I was hoping. We're shooting more into his wall. That was good. Shooting down there. Badass Cannons, kick ass. Badass Cannons, into July. Rock and roll.
Ready to roll? You ready
Yep,
to roll?
ready? Prove it.
Fire in the hole!
Damn.
Do I still have a target?
That board was on top. You're wanting to get
I
rid of.
thought you was gonna do it at the same time. I yelled. I thought it was the target, the same target you were shooting at.
It was. They'd have both hit it.
Oh.
It's okay. We killed it. Badass Cannons here up at the range. Shooting at some cement blocks about 150 yards down the hill. We'll see if we can nail her. One hit, one shot. That's pretty cool. We'll go down here and see how bad it busted him up. Almost hit right where I was aiming. Just a little to the left. It's a little bit of a walk down here. We've been shooting at this shooting gallery. They moved all the stuff out of the pit. We have to stack more shit in there if we're going to shoot over here. Of course, we got this pile of stuff over here. It's a lot of good thick lumber. But we had a whole pile of cement blocks down here. Probably 4 foot square, 4 foot tall, 4 foot wide, and 4 foot deep. I was aiming pretty much to the center of it, just to the right, the left side stack. Wonder how many I broke. Busted up a bunch of them. It should be around in here somewhere unless it bounced out. Oh, there it is. I think that's it. Looks like it. I smashed around back there. Went all the way through. Went all the way through. See, that stack there was like that stack there. And it looks like we might have threw a few out of the pile. Looks like what we probably have shot the center out of it is what happened. And here's around what's left of it. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Yep. Direct hit. I think it knocked that center row right out from underneath. Went all the way out through the back. I found it in the back, but it looked like it kicked a few out the back too. Flattened it right out. With them patches, that thing slid in there just like it was supposed to. It's still warm. Oh yeah, I'll melt it down.
Oh, the whole thing. Oh shoot, it flattened.
Oh, it flattened it. But it hit. I was aiming right to the middle, about in the middle, because I didn't know if it was going to go low or high this far out.
You want to restack?
Well, we could. I think it's what it did. It shot this one row right here, right out from under it.
It knocked the shit out.
Yeah.
Knocked them way back there.
It was laying right back there. Like I said, I think it shot this whole row here. It just blew them right out from under. Watch it, don't fall on your fingers. Yeah, you don't want to be sitting right behind in case something goes wrong. Taking a picture of me back? Got it? No. Oh. I did not bother it. I prefer you. Okay. Good to go. Carefully remove yourself from the firing lane. 52mm first. Fire the hole! Correct hit! It took a while for a piece. There's still pieces falling from the sky. I think we hit our mark. Oh my goodness. Did you get that? Son of a bitch! Fire the hole! Oh my goodness. It don't get no better than that. Whoa! Bongo, baby. Bongo. Has that thing hit or what? Oh my. Drilled that son of a bitch.